Welcome to Electronism, where innovation meets curiosity. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of electronics. In this video, we will explore the branch of electronics. Let's get started.
Electronics is a broad field with many subtypes, each focusing on different aspects of electronic technology.
Number 1. Analog electronics. It deals with continuous signals and the processing of analog signals. Key components include resistors, capacitors, inductors, and operational amplifiers. The applications of analog electronics include audio amplifiers, radio receivers, and analog sensors. Number 2. Digital electronics. Digital electronics focuses on discrete signals and binary logic. The key components include transistors, logic gates, flip-flops, and microprocessors. The applications of digital electronics include computers, digital watches, and embedded systems. Number 3. Microelectronics. It involves the design and manufacture of very small electronic components and systems. The key technologies include semiconductors, integrated circuits (ICs), and microchips. The applications of microelectronics include smartphones, microprocessors, and memory chips. Number 4. Power electronics. Power electronics deals with the conversion, control, and conditioning of electric power. The key components include energy conversion, power rectification, and power stabilizer. The applications of power electronics includes power supplies, electric vehicle chargers, and renewable energy systems. Number 5. Opto-electronics. It is a combination of electronics and light. The key components include LEDs, photodiodes, laser diodes, and optocouplers. The applications of optoelectronics include fiber optic communication, LED lighting, and optical sensors. Number 6. Communication electronics. Communication electronics focuses on electronic devices and systems for transmitting and receiving information. The key components include antennas, modulators, demodulators, and transceivers. Number 7. Automotive electronics. Automotive electronics specializes in electronic systems used in vehicles. The key components include engine control units (ECU), sensors, and infotainment systems. The applications of automotive electronics include engine management, safety systems, and in-car entertainment. Number 8. Medical electronics. Medical electronics involves the electronic devices used in medical diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring. The key components include medical imaging devices, pacemakers, and diagnostic equipment. The applications of medical electronics include MRI machines, ECG monitors, and wearable health devices.